An electric planer is an essential tool for woodworkers, carpenters, and DIY enthusiasts who demand precision and efficiency in their projects. Designed to smooth and level wooden surfaces with ease, this power tool features high-speed rotating blades that shave off thin layers of material, ensuring a uniform and polished finish. Whether you're working on furniture, doors, or large wooden panels, an electric planer allows for accurate thickness adjustments, removing imperfections such as rough textures, warps, and uneven edges. Unlike manual planers, which require physical effort and time-consuming strokes, an electric planer delivers fast, controlled, and consistent results, making it ideal for both professional workshops and home projects. Equipped with ergonomic handles, variable depth settings, and dust extraction ports, modern electric planers offer a seamless user experience, minimizing fatigue while keeping the workspace clean. Some advanced models even feature dual-sided blade systems and automatic kickstand functions, preventing accidental gouging and ensuring precision on every pass. In addition to surface smoothing, electric planers are widely used for chamfering edges, trimming doors, and shaping wooden planks with remarkable accuracy. Many models include carbide or high-speed steel blades, which maintain sharpness over extended use, ensuring durability even when working with dense hardwoods. The tool's adjustable cutting depth allows for fine-tuned material removal, enabling woodworkers to achieve exact thickness specifications for various applications. Whether you're resizing doors to fit frames, refurbishing reclaimed wood, or creating seamless joints for cabinetry, an electric planer streamlines the process with unmatched efficiency. Furthermore, its compact and portable design makes it a versatile addition to any tool collection, allowing users to achieve professional quality results without the need for industrial machinery. With safety features such as lock-off switches and blade guards, these tools ensure user protection while delivering powerful performance. From home improvement projects to large-scale woodworking, an electric planer is a game-changer in achieving smooth, precise, and high-quality finishes with minimal effort.